Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Shopify store live. So let's begin. First thing, you're going to find yourself at the Shopify homepage. What you want to do is you want to navigate over onto the online store and click on it. Here underneath this, you're going to get preferences. Click on preferences. And now what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to look for something which is called password protection. Limit who can access your online store. Now, when you first sign up to Shopify, this is going to be enabled. So what you want to do is you want to actually disable this. So once you've chosen your Shopify plan, you will be able to turn this off. And once you do that, you're going to simply click save. And this is how you publish your store. To make sure that everything is okay, we want to hover over online store and click on this eye icon right here. Once you do that, you're going to see that now your Shopify store is available for public. So this is how you make your Shopify store live. Thank you for watching.